Jonathan York, Bay Financial Partners, looking at investment markets. Commodities still sort of dominating the proceedings out there, with oil still a major factor. We did recover a little bit of lost ground last week, and now it's sort of quite interesting to see sort of how it sort of pans out. Very interesting on this falling gasoline prices, because that really does give a boost there, especially to the low-income families who really sort of do live from sort of week to week. And if you've got a little bit more disposable income, the argument goes that that will actually be spent, and especially as we head into Christmas time now, this could be sort of quite interesting to see just if that does filter through into increased retail sales out there. If it does, then it looks like it will be a pretty sort of major boost to most of the economies around the world. And certainly at the moment, global equity markets holding a reasonable bid as we sort of head in now to the end of the year, and the sort of feeling is that markets now will sort of end the year on a pretty reasonable bid. Certainly most global equity markets are holding a reasonable bid now and look like they're heading to the sort of year-end period now, sort of close to contract highs or at contract highs. Here in New Zealand, we had the Orion Health price announced. That's going to be right at the upper end of that range there at 570. There was no public pool for that, so if you didn't get an allocation, then it's really pretty difficult out there. If you are interested, call us on 0800 867 323. It looks like the offer will close on the 21st of November. It will just be interesting to see where that sort of bond comes. It looks like it's going to be a 7-year, and then it'll just be interesting to see what coupon is attached to that, whether it be high 5s or early 6s. To present, there's no further indication, but if you are potentially interested in that bond, call us on 0800 867 323. So to summarise, equity markets holding a pretty reasonable bid. Watch the oil prices. That could have a pretty major implication for retail spending going into the Christmas period. You've got the Orion Health IPO out there, issued at 570, and also potentially, if you're interested in registering your interest for the Trustpower bond, that looks like it will come towards the end of the year. Call us on 0800 867 323 or go to the website www.bayfinancialpartners.co.nz, and we look forward to speaking to you soon.